Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use dual messenger on your Samsung Galaxy M15 smartphone. So first of all, we're gonna have to open settings on our device and then scroll down to advanced features. Then select dual messenger and switch the toggle next to the supported messenger in this menu in order to create a copy of it. Then tap install and confirm. And if you want to, you can also create a separate contacts list for this application by switching this toggle to the right. If you don't, just tap next, OK, and then wait until the dual messenger is created. And now, in order to open the second application, we're just gonna have to go to the apps menu and select the messenger that we want to use. So here we have the original one and the copied one. And if you want to uninstall the copy, just switch this toggle to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.